Welcome in today's international e-conference on drug discovery, development and applications. Myself, Dr. Rupashri Kadu, I am going to present a paper entitled Green and Efficient Synthesis of Dialkyl Fluorines employing ionic liquid as an reaction media. So, what is the importance of dialkyl fluorine molecules? The dialkyl fluorines are important monomers for synthesis of polymers. Such a polymers have applications in light emitting diodes, solar cells or transistors. So these are the few examples of dialkyl fluorine molecules. The application of light emitting polymers are the use in cell phones, shoes, indicators, various car headlights and road lights. The previous methods of alkylation of fluorines. In this method, we found that the various drawbacks like it requires the corrosive catalyst like NaOH or KOH. It requires additives like phase transfer catalyst. It requires the hazardous solvents like DMSO. It requires toxic solvent like benzene. It requires high temperature and long reaction time to convert the 2,7-dibromofluorine into substituted di-2,7-dibromofluorine. Hence, we decided to overcome these drawbacks. Our research objective was to develop new method in the context of green chemistry for alkylation of fluorine, which will require mild reaction condition, work without catalyst, work in environmental friendly solvents, which having rapid speed and gives high yield. This is slide showing our developed method for the synthesis of dialkyl fluorine. In this, the 2,7-dibromofluorine is converted into the substituted 2,7-dibromofluorine by using only two things like alkyl halides and ionic liquid. So, the ionic liquid is most important in this regard. Ionic liquid solution act as a catalyst as well as solvents. Hence, without any additional catalyst, additives and solvents, we converted 2,7-dibromofluorine into the substituted 2,7 or alkyl substituted 2,7-dibromofluorine. The material used for the reaction is the 2,7-dibromofluorine as a reactant or the starting material. Also, the various alkyl halides are used like ethyl halide, propyl halide, and the ionic liquid such as 1-ethyl, 3-methyl, imidazolium hydroxide solutions were used. The procedure for alkylation of fluorine. The 2,7-dibromofluorine and ionic liquid solution were added and mixed into a round bottom flask. Then alkyl bromide was added to above mixture and heated at 60 degrees Celsius continuously for 2 hours. After completion of the reaction, as indicated by TLC, the reaction mixture was cooled to room temperature and extracted with chloroform. The organic layer was washed with water and dried over anhydrous sodium sulfate. The solvent was removed to get desired product, and the aqueous layer containing ionic liquid solution was recycled and reused for further reaction. So, the characterization of the synthesized compounds by H1 NMR spectroscopy. So, this is the actual H1 NMR spectra of 2,7-dibromo-99-diethyl fluorine, and similar way, this is the H1 NMR spectra for 2,7-dibromo-99-dipropyl fluorine. Significant features of the developed method. The aqueous phase, it is an aqueous phase synthesis. The ionic liquid solution act as a catalyst as well as solvent. There is no any addition of additional catalyst, additives and solvent. Commercially easily available ionic liquid solutions were used. Working at an ambient temperature, it requires short reaction time and high yield of the product. The efficient recycle and reuse of ionic liquid solution is up to 5 cycles. Applications of and future scope. It provides improved method of alkylation of fluorines under very mild reaction condition. This method may find application in polymer chemistry for the preparation of a different alkyl substituted fluorines desirable for polymer synthesis. The future work will focus on application of this alkylation method in other systems like anilines, phenols. In the summary, we have demonstrated the ionic liquid as an efficient reaction system for alkylation of fluorines without using additional catalyst, additives and solvent under mild reaction condition. These are my few references. Thank you for attention.